In this video, I'll be explaining how to enable real-time rates at checkout with your Lightspeed store on ClickShip. So first, you want to go to your store settings on the left menu and click the pencil icon for your Lightspeed store. So here is where your store options are available, and here for real-time rates at checkout, we want to make sure that our real-time rates for packages is enabled. Then from there, you'll see your ship from addresses pulled from Lightspeed. Make sure to select the exact ship from address where real-time rates are being calculated. Once you select your address, click on Update Address, and then click on Save to save your changes. So once we're done with that, you want to make sure you go to your products page in your left menu. Another thing you can do on your store settings for your Lightspeed store is use the shipping cost calculator. What you can do is either use a markup or markdown on your shipping costs at checkout. In the case that you have operational costs into your shipping, you can use the markup cost, or for example, for markdown, you can use that for further discounts on shipping. So here on our products page, we want to make sure that all our products and weights are been added. If you don't have your products and weights added, what we recommend is exporting your products as a CSV, downloading that file onto your computer, and editing all your dimensions and weights in that file. And once you're done editing that file as a CSV, you can re-upload that from the import feature on the same screen. Keep in mind that the CSV import-export only works on existing products and does not carry over new products in your CSV. You also want to make sure that your boxes have been added for all your products that you're going to use for shipping. Just go to Add Box on the top right and make sure that you've selected Use for Smart Packaging. Once you're done with all those changes, real-time rates at checkout should be activated and ready to go on your Lightspeed store. So why don't we check it out on our test store right now. So here is our test store. What we're going to do is add a product from our catalog. We're just going to go to Add a Cart, proceed to checkout. And here we're just going to fill out our billing address. So I've cut the part where I fill out the address, but once you've entered all our information and the address is validated, you see here in a shipping method that a lot of options have been provided to the customer for shipping rates. So now the customer can have access to heavily discounted rates at checkout, giving you less. So now the customer has access to multiple carriers at checkout, ensuring you that the customer won't abandon the cart at checkout. And that was the demonstration of how to enable real-time rates at checkout for your Lightspeed store with ClickShip. Happy shipping from the ClickShip team.